Hello there, here we are in the beautiful region of Puglia. Today we are located in the beautiful town of Ostuni, and you can see just behind me we've come here to this spot to show you the entire block here. This is the property we're showing you today. It is 225 square meters of property, 3 bedrooms, and the way it's divided is it actually has 1 apartment above and then 2 studio apartments below. So perfect if you're interested in maybe living in one of them and renting out the other 2, or potentially renting out all 3. Plus it has the roof. So this has been fully restored, as you can see. But let's start to walk in, because obviously the dogs are going to kick off right as I'm speaking, as always happens. But coming round here, again, you can just see how large this property is. This is the entire corner. And one thing I love about these types of properties is that they're free on all sides. That means there's going to be a good amount of light coming in from all directions. So let's go into the first doorway here, and we have, again, as I said, this is one of the studio flats, and you can see this has been completely restored. So it's a beautiful property. We've got star vaulted ceilings, very tall. There's a good feeling of space in here. So you've got here is what you have, the sofa bed. You've got a bit of storage. Now behind this door is actually access to the other studio. So potentially this could also be used as one large home if that was what you would prefer. Here we've got the kitchen area, you've got the induction heating for the cooking, and then we have a decent sized kitchen with washing machine. Here we have the bathroom. Again, the property's been fully restored, so this has all been work that's been carried out very recently, and you can see the level is actually really nice. I really like what they've done with the floors and with the colours of the bathroom in here. Really good size shower in here. Again, so a decent size, and then we've actually got what you see above here, and I'll let the cameraman go upstairs. So if you can just walk upstairs here, we can show you what they've got in terms of the bedroom area. So because of the really tall ceilings, they've been able to obviously use the amount of space that they've got so that they can have a bedroom up there as well. So it's really nice. Obviously, these are the types of properties that rent out really well in Ostuni. We are a walking distance from the main square, probably not even a 5-minute walk to the main square, but obviously I will show you the drone video from above so you can get a good idea where we are located. We're just around the corner from the park of Ostuni, which is also important to note. And you are actually in a quiet road, so you're not just off the main area of Ostuni. You're not on one of the main roads. You're actually in an area which is quite quiet, and you don't have a lot of cars passing through. So coming into studio number 2, again, you can see they're really cutely restored, these properties. So there is really nothing that would need to be done in addition. And you've got a very similar setup to the one we've just seen. So you've got this little bedroom upstairs on the soppalco, and then you've got the kitchen area, very similar setup to what we saw next door with the induction cooker and then the washing machine as well. Here we've got a really good sized bathroom here. Again, good sized shower, incredible sized shower for these types of properties. And I like the finish. I like what they've gone with here as well with the actual design. Again, exactly the same as next door, but what I was saying to you previously, there's the doorway that can access to the other side. So if you wanted to open this up, this could be opened up. And another thing important to notice, because we do have to see the apartment above, apartment number 3, here you actually access the stairs, which brings you up, but you also have the outside access, which is where we're going to go from. So maybe just pop upstairs quickly to show them the bedroom upstairs. And again, look at the ceilings, star vaulted ceilings. Here the heating they have is air conditioning that also does heating. Because these aren't huge rooms, these would be enough for the winter time as well. So really nice property here. And again, it's going to be suitable if you were looking for something maybe for yourself, and then you would like to rent out the other two and have that income as well. So I know a lot of people are interested in that. It's nice that they've kept the original doors here. These are features that are nice, and obviously they've gone for that distressed look, just to remind you of the age of this property, because we are looking at an antique property here. And just coming back out, I just want to show you, this is the doorway to the main entrance of the house above. So everything that we've seen, there is a floor above it, which I'm going to show you now, as well as the roof terrace as well. So it's a lot of property I'm showing you today. And again, we're in the beautiful town of Ostuni here. So we're going up the stairs to the main apartment now, and you'll see the reason I'm wearing slippers is because the owner doesn't like people walking in with shoes. So she's really particular about this property, and obviously it's been kept extremely clean. This is the main apartment, right? This is the biggest apartment, and this is actually where the current owner is living. So she lives in this part, and then she rents out the part down below. You can see we've got a gorgeously large window with balcony here. So maybe that's one of the first things we can show you. And just, you've got the anti-mosquito netting. That's obviously great to have. In Ostuni, we do have mosquitoes as well. So coming through here, you've got the sitting room area, really good sized sitting room, tall ceilings. The restoration here, they've gone for the all white look, so it feels very bright and very airy in here. And the other thing is, nice to have windows on opposite sides. Obviously, you open this up, it creates a beautiful current in here. So coming through here, we come back through to the bedroom, which you can see has kind of been separated. But if you please show them the ceilings. The ceilings are absolutely beautiful in this house, and they're all very tall, which gives this house a really nice feeling of bright and space. Again, we've got the bedroom here, and here you've got a good sized bathroom with a separate area for bath, with a bit of a massage in here as well. So you've got shower and bath in one side, and then the bidet and the sink in the other. So again, you can kind of see that this restoration has been done recently, and they haven't spared any expense. There's been a good amount of work done to this house, but I can't stress how important it is for me to have windows on opposite sides, and again, those really tall ceilings, and just that all white finish gives it a really nice feel to the place. So coming back through, we have mentioned it previously, but I'll mention it again, air conditioning that also does heating. Here you have the original doors as well, so nice features to have in this type of a property. And then if we come through here, got a really good sized balcony here, and this is the kitchen, right? So here we've got in here the induction heating. Again, it's a very similar setup to the kitchen downstairs, and we've got the sink, cute little window there. I'll show you the last piece, which is arguably the nicest part of the house, and that is the roof, which we're going to show you now. So just coming up these stairs, just mind your head when you're coming up. This is the roof terrace, so we've got beautiful views from up here. You've got the stunning sea views just behind us. And as you can see, she's got a beautiful garden up here. And I love what she's got going on with the plants growing over, creating that natural shade. There's this table in the middle. She's got a pizza oven here on the side. And she's actually put decking all over the bottom of the roof here. So she's got this decking running through. We've got irrigation for the plants. It's all automatic, but maybe the best place to see it from is back here, because here you've got the views of the sea as well as all the plants kind of growing over. It's a really good sized roof terrace, and again, we are very high up. I will be flying my drone video. I'll be doing the drone video here at this point to show you where we are located in Ostuni. But that is all for this property. As I say, we've seen 3 apartments, 2 studios and 1 larger apartment. That's 3 bedrooms, 225 square meters of property, 3 kitchens. I mean, there's a lot of property here, and we think this one's another interesting offer. So if you have any questions on this property or any of the others, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching.